Oh my goodness, it's here. Hi, my name is Merlin Showalter with SteadiSchool, and I'm here to bring you an unboxing of the Tiffen Steadicam M-2. Today is a very exciting day for me, and I can't wait to show you what's inside, so let's get started. Okay. Yay, paper. Oh. Ooh, okay, this is the Exo Vest. Ooh. Okay, wow. This is quite the carrying case for it. Ooh, it feels like Christmas. Vest bag for the Exo Vest. It's very nice looking. It's burly and looks pretty well designed. Let's open it up. These are, extra pads. Nice. Shoulder strap for the carrying case. This is a lovely little package. Ooh. Oh, wow. This is very exciting for me. I've been using the same vest for several years, and it was getting the job done. It was definitely a solid vest, but when I tried the Exo Vest, it really clicked with my frame, with my body type, and I'm very excited to give this a try. Well, let's move on. Next up, let's go with this one right here. Okay. This is exciting. Okay, this is the iso-elastic arm. Comes in a lovely arm bag. And some tools and an arm post. Need that. This is the Steadicam G70X arm. It's got a 13 to 70 pound payload capacity and toolless adjustment here, so you can adjust your ride and your lift independently. It's not super light, but it is capable of holding quite the payload. Very exciting, very, very exciting stuff. Cool, got some tools. These are awesome. I love tools. Okay, next. Huh, it's a power LED? Nope, we've got accessories. Just in a repurposed box. Ooh, here's the docking bracket for the M2. Everything that comes in this package is just so beautifully machined and has such a nice finish to it. You can really tell that this is top of the line stuff. More doodads, accessories, screws, and whatnot. Ooh, low motor bracket, yes. More tools. Okay. Next. And finally, this must be the sled. Nice. The sled comes in its own nice little case. Oh, not little, I guess, but it's very sleek, actually. Oh, yes. Goodbye, box. All right, where to start? Manuals. Thank you for your purchase from Steadicam. You're welcome. All right, well, let's take this out since it's at the top. Here we've got a Transvideo 7-inch Stargate HDR monitor on the Tiffen monitor bracket with the universal yoke. We've got cables on cables on cables. Let's grab this over here. Here we've got the post adapter for the monitor bracket. All right, and finally, ooh, there we go. Yes, the Tiffen Steadicam M-2 Volt. Got some lovely electronics on the back side as well as the front side of the top stage, including two 12-volt P-taps, SDI connections, as well as power. And on the front, we've got a bunch of power connections, as well as a place to attach some threaded rods if we want to add any accessories to the front of the top stage. And on this side of the top stage, we've got the on pause and on off switches for the volt, as well as the trim button for setting the roll. Controls for the roll, damping, and tilt on this side. On both sides, the side to side and fore and aft adjustment. Here at the bottom, we've got 1, 2, 3 battery slots, as well as switches to go between 12 volt and 24 volt output. Here at the bottom, we have some more SDI outputs as well as power outputs to connect power to the monitor and accessories, as well as connect video signal. Here at the top, we also have a tilting top stage so that we can set our headroom without having to adjust our fore and aft balance. It is so lovely and low profile. The top stage here is only about an inch high. Oh, that is smooth. And that's it for the sled. Now let's put it together. The real MVP of this new rig is the Steadicam Volt system. It assists the gimbal handle with electronic brushless motors and accelerometers to help maintain a perfect horizon and control pendulation. The 2-pound gimbal attachment sits at the center of the post, so there's no need to lengthen the sled to compensate for weight like with other horizon assistance devices. And because the sled is typically balanced neutral when using the Volt, switching to low mode can be done without any rebalancing. The Volt also lets you set and reset tilt at the push of a button and features a friction mode that causes the sled to behave like a fluid head and maintain tilt at whatever angle you set it at. And that's the Steadicam M2. Big thanks to Brian and Tyson and Michelle over at Tiffen for helping me get the rig. And huge shout out to Joel at Evidence Cameras for the studio space, as well as big thank you to Jessica Lopez and Matt Borick at SteadiSchool for giving me the opportunity to share this unboxing with you. Hope you got something from it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or send me a message over Instagram, and be sure to follow SteadiSchool on YouTube for more camera department education.